Hello there, I'm Anthony Spratley, the owner of Genus Law Group, where we tackle the tough stuff so you don't have to. So today we're cruising through scenic roads of New Mexico law. Yep, you've guessed it. We're going to talk about auto accidents and what makes our state's laws unique. So buckle up and let's make this legal journey a ride to remember, right? But before we get started, if you want more information on topics like what we're going to discuss today, please go to our website at www.genuslawgroup.com. That's GENUSLAWGRP.com. Now, first things first, New Mexico operates what's called a fault system for auto accidents. This means if you're caught texting and driving and accidentally rear-end someone, you're generally considered at fault. And in the land of enchantment, fault is a big deal as it determines who pays for the damages. So next, let's talk about insurance. New Mexico law requires drivers to have at least liability insurance. Think of it as your financial seatbelt, protecting you from the cost of damages or injuries you might cause in an accident. The minimum coverage, is $25,000 for bodily injury per person, $50,000 per accident, and $10,000 for property damage. But if you're like near Roswell, you might get hit by a UFO or more likely an uninsured driver, right? Uninsured motorist coverage isn't mandatory in New Mexico, but it's definitely something to consider adding to your policy for extra peace of mind. Liability and fault aside, what happens when you're in an accident? New Mexico has a statute of limitations of 3 years for auto accident claims. That means you have 3 years from the date of the accident to file the lawsuit. Miss that window, and it's like trying to claim a burrito that was left out overnight. Not a good idea, right? And if you're thinking about handling your auto accident claim solo, think again. Navigating the legal road can be trickier than driving through a New Mexico dust storm. That's where we come in. So at Genus Law Group, we're more than just your legal navigators. We're your allies. We're here to guide you through every twist and turn of New Mexico auto accident law. Whether you're at fault, dealing with an uninsured motorist, or just need advice on your insurance coverage, we've got your back. So don't let the legal landscape intimidate you. Reach out to us at Genus Law Group, where we practice law throughout the state of New Mexico. Because when it comes to legal matters, it's always better to have a co-pilot, right? I'm Anthony Spratley. I'll steer you in the right direction. Drive safe, New Mexico.